today we'll talk about how can you scan Bread QR code on your Bread app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click on scan here, you just click on it. So then you just click on OK here uh, to allow your permissions here to scan your Bread barcode. When you just click here on OK, then automatically it's going to show for you to scan your QR code on your Bread app. So that's all you have to do to scan your QR code. I wish now I get it. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.